everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you my February Facetory box. That is right, you guys. I did get my Facetory box in the mail today, so we're filming this on the day. Now, if you remember from last month, I discovered a brand called Facetory from a Instagram account called Crystal Clear Makeup, and she posted it on her stories, and I was like, yo, I can't get this off of me. I was like, I love face masks, so I want to look at this box. So I looked at the website and I found my first box last month, and I did go ahead and renew it and get it this month again because I love face masks. They're one of my favorite things to do to like relax and rewind. So we are going to be going ahead and opening this baby up. Ow. I actually have no idea what's in here. I did not look at the website. I haven't seen anything online about it. So this is 100% a surprise to me. I said it, surprise. I don't know why I said it that way, but full disclosure, I did not get this sent to me for free. I'm not sponsored with Facetory in any way. I bought this with my own money. I just think it's a really cute idea, and the box is just adorable. If you'd like to see the Facetory unboxing, then keep on watching. First off, just let me tell you what Facetory is. It is a mask subscription box, and I believe it's around like 19 to 20 bucks a month for 7 masks, or yeah, for 7 masks, and then for 4 masks, it's a little bit cheaper. So you have 2 options there, and here is what the little box looks like. It is so freaking adorable. This actually seems like the same box we got last month, so it does still have like snowflakes on it and stuff. I don't know why. Oh, that is maybe what it looks like. I didn't know. They may just sent me one in like a last month's box because they still may have some left over, but it is, yeah, it does. It's last month's box because inside it says just keep glowing, the same one as it did last month, so that's fine. But here is a little Valentine's card. So it is a February box, and it says, "You are the queen in my heart." How adorable. And it's not addressed, so you could actually use this as like a little Valentine's card. Valentine's is over, but it's still really cute. And then here is what it looks like inside. You have like the teal wrapping paper here, and then bye-bye box. I don't need that no more. And here are all of your masks. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this baby up here. And ooh, okay, so it says February 7 Lux, curated by Facetory. It says, "You are the queen in our hearts. We celebrate all the relationships we have with our besties and loved ones. We hope you can use these masks as a time of pampering and bonding with those closest to you. Happy February." How adorable. That's really, really cute. So the first one I see here, this one's so cute. It's like a little playing card. This one I believe is by the brand Facetory itself, and this one is called Ace That Face Collagen Mask. And here is what it looks like. It looks like a little ace of hearts. How freaking adorable are you? And this says, in need of glowing smooth skin, this face, I can't read today, you guys. In need of glowing smooth skin, this mask infused with super nourishing and skin plumping ingredients such as hydrolyzed collagen and mushroom extract will help bring out the best in your skin. So it has the hydrolyzed collagen and then Derma lucidum. I don't know, it's mushroom extract, and it looks really, really cute. They did send one last month that was like a cream mask, but this one does not seem to be a cream mask, but it is very adorable in and of itself. And I do believe that Facetory is like more Korean based, like skincare, so that's really adorable as well. The second one I have here seems like it is a 2-step mask. I love these 2-step masks. They're so cute, and it does look like that is in Korean on the back here, but here is what it looks like. It's so adorable. It has step 1 and step 2, and then on the back it shows all of the really fun, well, fun. It's the like ingredients and instructions. So that's really cute. And then this one says, "Full of jelly essence, this 2-step mask is amazing for a pampering night with your bestie. This combo will lightly exfoliate and hydrate your skin to reveal a brighter and smoother complexion." So it has grapefruit seed extract. Yeah, grapefruit fruit extract. Excuse me, and then it has hyaluronic acid. So really, really great for the skin when it comes to that. So I'm super excited to try that out. Ooh, this one feels very, very like, it's interesting. This one is Skin First Oil Wrap Mask, and it has chamomile, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and chamomile. Look at that. Now, I don't know if the brand is called Lapkos right here, or if it's like First Skin, or if the brand's called Oil. I don't know. But this is what it looks like. It looks very basic, and I don't mean that in a bad way. Like, it looks really just kind of like clean and sleek. So that one is really, really cute. And then this one says, not only can you enjoy chamomile as a soothing tea, but also a nourishing oil for your skin. And chamomile does do that. It definitely helps the skin. I know that I used a couple of things when my skin was really having an issue in like the dead of winter. Remember when I was having those huge breakouts, like rashes? Chamomile did definitely help. These oils were made to be used for all skin types. So it has jojoba oil and chamomile. The next one here is Dr. Aletha. Maybe, and it's a herb therapy velvet mask. Ooh, I've never used a velvet mask before, but here is what it looks like. It looks so cute. Look at the packaging. Oh my gosh, that is actually adorable. And then here's what it has on the back right here. So this must be the brand up here. And then, oh, this is just so cute. I cannot wait to try these. Oh my god. This one says, just as those closest to you would comfort you during your hardest times, let this mask give you a boost to your skin. This mask will keep your complexion luminous for days. So it has hyaluronic acid and it has ceramide. I don't know what that means. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, these actually do have retail prices. That first one, Face and Ace, retails for $4. The two-step mask retails for $4 as well. The oil one retails for $4.50. And then this one right here we just looked at is $4 as well. So pretty good deal so far. The ceramide is a hydrating agent that helps retain the skin's moisture levels by strengthening the skin's moisture barrier. That's interesting. I did not know that. I learned something today. Look at that. That's adorable. I'm excited. Oh man, this one looks so cute. And so next up we have this 23-year-old premium home care. I don't know if that's the name of the brand, but it is a cocktail velvet petite mask. I'm not saying that correctly, but look, oh my god. It's like pink. That looks so adorable, and this right here looks a little weird, but it looks so cute. And then here is what it has on the back right here. And oh my gosh, they're doing a couple of velvet masks this time. I've never used a velvet mask before, but it looks really, really cute. I'm so intrigued. I'm gonna use one of these tonight after I take a shower. This one says, cheers to the besties and loved ones who will never let you down. This cocktail velvet petite mask will provide your skin with a more youthful appearance. And it has these ingredients in it right here and right here. I cannot read those, but it does have those two in it, so that is really good. Improves the appearance of enlarged pores and evens out the skin tone. And then the second one is a powerful antioxidant that helps lighten hyperpigmentation as well as provides anti-aging benefits. That's really dope. I'm super excited about that. Oh my god, this one's actually got me really excited. This one is called Miss Young, a secret advice of Sis Young. This one is a wasabi mask. Oh my goodness. I've never heard of a wasabi mask before, but it says wasabi nude mask right here. I've never heard of using wasabi on the skin. So it looks like it has wasabi, pear, and I don't know what this other fruit is, but it looks really, really adorable. 7 topical fruit extracts give moisturizing effect to skin. Wasabi and Tanica extracts makes moist and healthy skin, and safe and natural ingredients with low irritation. That is so great. And it's quick mask, intensive moisturizing, dermatologist tested. So this is exciting. I'm super stoked about this one. I'm stoked for all of them, but I do like that one a lot. This one says, by the way, I forgot to mention, this one right here retails for $5, and then this one retails for $4 as well. And then this last one, Miss Young, take the advice of your bestie and treat your skin to a moisturizing mask. Using a unique ingredient, wasabi, this mask will keep your skin plump and healthy. So that's great, and it has wasabi extract and tea tree extract. So that's really nice. And we are down to the last one. It's really cute. Oh my god. It looks like Alice. It's Alice in Wonderland themed. Oh my goodness. I don't know how to pronounce the name of this brand. I believe that's what it is down here. But look, it's got the Mad Hatter, the playing card. It's got the rabbit over here. It's Alice in Wonderland themed. Oh my goodness. How actually adorable is that? And then it actually has little flowers on the back. And then This one says, make your day a little more magical with this mask that uses highly concentrated essence to instantly provide moisture and nutrients to your skin. This one has sodium haldronate and licorice root extract. How interesting. I have never heard of licorice, well, obviously I've heard of like licorice root, but like I didn't know you could use it in a mask like that. How adorable. And that one retails for $3.50. You guys, this stuff has just been amazing. I love these masks. I'm so stoked to try them out. 100% trying one tonight because I can't wait. But yes, you guys, that is going to be the unboxing for today. I really hope that you did enjoy the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me, then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!